Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete or hide all objects in MS Excel at once. Excel allows you to easily add graphics to a worksheet. This can be helpful at times, but at other times you may need to delete all the graphics in a worksheet. The easiest to delete them all is by pressing F5 key, or under the editing tool on the Home tab, click on Find and select, then click on Go to option, then click on the Special button, choose Objects and hit OK. These will select all objects and controls. Then hit your delete key. A way to choose just one or a few is by using the editing tools. Click on the Find and Select button, then click on Select Object, then use your mouse to select objects you want to delete by dragging. If you want to select more objects, press and hold the Control key, then click and drag to the objects you want to add. Then hit your delete key. Another way is by using the selection pane. Under the editing tools, click on Find and Select button, then click on Selection pane. This will show all objects and controls. Select which objects you want to remove, then press Delete button on your keyboard. You can also press Ctrl A to select all, then press Delete button to delete all. Or you can just hide them all by clicking on the Hide All button. This covers how to delete and or hide all objects in MS Excel at once. If you have a question to ask, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.